So when you apply for a job, you put your resume into a piece of software, and that software is called an applicant tracking system. And you might have heard the rumor or the biggest myth in job search, which is that there is some AI there that's reading your resume and just, randomly auto rejecting you or whatever it is. And I am here to tell you that that is mostly not true. Let me give you the details. My name is Morgan. I created a software called All the Jobs, which is a job search automation tool. I'm also writing a book called How to Get a Job in 2025. And so I'm also a product manager, which means I think a lot about how software works, and I think a lot about, features and how you would implement this kind of stuff. And I spent the last couple of weeks really taking a deep dive into how these systems work. I read a lot of technical documentation, onboarding. I found a lot of documents and training videos and screens on how this stuff works. And I feel like I have a really strong understanding of these 5 ATSs: Teleo, iSIMS, Workday, Lever, and Greenhouse. And let me tell you that I was very surprised that these 5 pieces of software work very, very differently from each other. They have completely different feature sets, and they kind of just don't do the same thing. So I'm going to make a series of videos talking about the things that you might need to be aware of. It's a little bit of a technical understanding. I can't fit them all into one video, but I will tell you what they all do. An applicant tracking system is really just supposed to guide a recruiter through the process of hiring. So, you give your application, it stores your application along with your resume. It gives the recruiter a way to search for them and a way to go through them. Then you can reject or apply or, send them to an interview and then move candidates down through the pipeline. That's really what the software is supposed to do. All ATSs do that. And they all, kind of just do a fine job on that. So in the subsequent videos, I'm going to talk about auto reject and search and all of these other kind of features that they have, and really kind of deep dive into what does that mean for you as, a job seeker. So strap in.